Hey guys, I want to say hello to everybody. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's family's doing well. I hope everybody's ready for this next second quarter of the year. Make sure we get some business in. Make sure we make some sales. Make sure we make some connections. Make sure we make something happen. I just want to share with you a few changes that's going on with the body shop industry with insurance claims. So a lot of insurance companies are not coming out anymore. So usually what they'll do, whenever a client gets in an accident, the insurance will usually come by the shop or they'll go to the client's house and do like a preliminary estimate of the damage. What they're doing now is they're having the client send in photos and they're doing a desk assignment. A lot of these insurance have decided to go to a third party vendor. So what that means is, like, for example, if you have, even some of the premier insurance companies, they're outsourcing that work to another company, so it takes a little longer for the process to go through. Also, one of the problems that we're also seeing is some of the customers are not aware of the condition of the damage. So, for example, they'll call and make a claim, and the insurance will say, "Is your vehicle drivable?" And of course, they have to drive it. Maybe you have to take the kids to school or work, and so they say, "Yeah, you know what? I'm driving it." But in reality, they don't really know if there's hidden damage or there's suspension damage. So we found customers, have been driving for a week or so, waiting for the insurance to get back with them. And they have real bad suspension damage that could have caused more damage to themselves, families, or even some other drivers. So, hey guys, I just wanted to let y'all know, if you have any clients that's been in an accident, have them give us a call. Like, even if their car is currently at another shop and they're trying to figure out what's the delay, or they're not being able to communicate with the agents, with the adjusters or the appraisers, send them our information, and we'll make sure that we take care of them. So, over here at Certified, we believe that once they hand over those keys to us, it's our responsibility to make sure that we do the best repair possible. Make sure we give them the correct information. Make sure that we're up to date with the industry. Make sure we're just up to date in general with what's going on, so that the customer gets the most value out of that repair, and we make sure that they take off with a clear peace of mind, knowing that they got a good job. And at the end of the day, like, our guys feel proud because they gave it 110%, and everybody walks away happy. So, hey guys, if we can help out any of your clients, send them our way. Friends, family, give us a referral, give us a shout out on Google Maps, a review, anything will help, guys. See y'all later.